Mic check 1 2. How's it going? It's been a while since I made a tutorial. Today we're gonna work on I'm filming this tutorial on a club on Multiplex. Multiplex is basically throwing multiple objects in one hand. There's multiple ways to throw a multiplex, but we're gonna specifically work on this specific one style multiplex developed by Walid Yafi. And yeah, let's get into it. So this is how you would hold the club, palming. I guess you make sure all the fingers are open, so you can grab the club, the second club, with all your fingers. Second club comes in pointing to the left. Red club pointing. This is regular or normal. There's normal grip. The red club's facing in. If you flip, white club's facing in. And so this is normal or regular. You can slide the club out. This is one of the multiplex grip, single double. Swing the club in, you get into a staff grip. So this is a staff grip we're going to work with. The pink club pointing in, pinky is on the tape, white club pointing out. You can flip it, it becomes circus. So this is a circus, back to staff. And you flip it again, this is circus grip. Top club, white club facing right. You spin 180, you go into the staff. So this is how you would get into the staff from a circus grip. So this is the staff grip we'll be working on primarily. You can hand it off. That's one way to do it. You can zap it in. And yeah, those are like the few ways to do it. So let me go into the secondary clip. The second clip, how we would maneuver the club into the staff grip. So as you can see, you can throw it in, half spin, catch, 1.5 catch. So you can catch it from a dot facing up, the club face down, catch, the white club facing in. You can throw a single and catch. You're also in a staff grip. You can throw the top club spins 1.5 and back into the same grip. You can tap it as well. You can throw a wall plane. Catch the bottom club and top club spins, tap it, split apart, and there you go. That's one of the ways. And let's check out the clip number 3. All right, we got clip number 3. As you can see here, we have a triplex, launch, cascade. That'll be step number 1. Go back to the triplex again, launch. You can go into the scissor. From the scissor, you can do a scissor manipulation, trap, back into the scissor. So those are a few options here to do a triplex. Some other stuff you can also do here. Triplex, back to triplex, tap, open, split. All right, let's check out the last clip here for the multiplex. As you can see here, catch in a regular. Last club, you drop in, you have the triplex. Slide one out. The one furthest out is pointing away. The two clubs is stacked onto each other. The one that is furthest away is inside the hand, the knob. Triplex. You can throw an anti-spin into the triplex. So if you take the one facing out, two clubs are regular, throw it back in, triplex. Take the bottom one out, you have the staff. Throw it back in, triplex. So this is the triplex position from Walid El Yafi. So yeah, you can go into staff, go into triplex, scissor, and yep. So this is a multiplex pattern. Multiplex throw, back to left, right to left, left to right, and you go right to right. regular 1.5 catch. You can go for 2.5 spins at the top, back to the same grip. Launch 2.5 spins at the top, catch regular, boom, back. This is a 4-club pattern taught to me by Javier Bertero from Argentina. The staff multiplex switches sides each time. You can also do a split time single to multiplex switch. And then you can do also synchronous switch, double at the top. And this is a 5-club multiplex start with a triplex on the right start. And yeah, these are the few things I wanted to add to the video, and have fun. I'll catch you guys later.